In other reviews, I have put the unboxing and review all in one. This time, I've decided to turn the review into a two-part series. One part being the unboxing, and the other a review on the actual product itself. This is a tank of a steam cleaner with a lot of accessories, so it is shipped in a pretty big box. This steam cleaner is McCulloch's biggest yet. It holds up to 64 ounces of water and heats up in 12 minutes, providing up to 2 hours of continuous steam. It includes 23 cleaning tool accessories and an 18-foot power cord, so you will never have to worry about yanking any cords out of the wall. Now that we've got the box open, let's go ahead and check out what we've got inside. Off the top, we have the detachable handle and cord wrap that makes portability a breeze. It turns the MC1385 into a rolling steam cleaner, which I'll show you in a bit. Next up, we have our two extension wands, super handy for the steam mop function as well as extending your reach. Here's a package of our detailing brushes, brass and nylon, great for scrubbing any surface clean. Next is our manual, which you'll always want to read. Our scraping tool, handy for wallpaper and gum. Worth the entire price, the steam mop head. This is very useful, a carrying bag for all of your accessories. We also have not one, but two microfiber scrubbing mop pads. Up next are the accessory net and large rectangle brush that attaches to the triangle brush. And here is the triangle brush attachment. This piece attaches to the mop head to serve as a scrubbing tool. Here's our squeegee attachment that uses steam for streak-free surfaces. This is the set of super handy buffer pads and more nylon scrub brushes. Here we have our measuring cup and funnel for filling up the MC1385. Now that I've gotten most of the accessories out, it's time to reveal the awesome MC1385. If you'd like to purchase the McCulloch MC1385, go ahead and click the link in the description and get one from Amazon today. If you want to see the MC1385 in action, keep watching. Here is the last accessory, the steam jet nozzle, great for blasting gunk and grime away. Here is the very sleek MC1385. You can see this product is packaged very well. McCulloch ensures a safe transport. Before I show the MC1385 in action, I'm going to get set up. First, I'm going to attach the handle and cord wrap for easy mobility. This is really not much of a setup, as I just need to attach the handle, fill up the steam cleaner, and turn it on. The rolling function is super handy. You don't have to do any lifting, you just move as you please. We're almost ready to go, guys. Here's a closer look at the attachments, set up nicely and not in their original packaging. You definitely get what you pay for with McCulloch. This is a hugely reputable brand, and their products are not only economical, but they're durable and actually work very well. The attachments included with the MC1385 and all other McCulloch products cover a wide variety of cleaning needs, and there's a cleaning attachment for just about any job. We're almost set to start steam cleaning. There's one more simple step, and that is filling. Using the funnel and the 16-ounce measuring cup included with the MC1385, you can fill up to 64 ounces of water and start steam cleaning in just 12 minutes. Be careful that you don't pour too fast, otherwise it can create a bubble which will clog the funnel and result in overflowing. It doesn't make a mess, as the water just ends up draining into the steam cleaner, but it's just a word of caution.